She is going to the supermarket right now. She is holding a pack of noodles. How much is a pack of noodles? What is she holding? She is holding a box of cakes. How much is a box of cakes? What is she holding? She is holding a bottle of soy sauce. How much is a bottle of soy sauce? What is she holding? She is holding a bag of MSG. How much is a bag of MSG? She is holding a bag of rice paper. How much is a bag of rice paper? She walks to the seasoning section. How much is a bag of seasoning section? She is going to the rice stall. How much is 1 kilogram of rice? She walks to the meat section. How much is 1 kilogram of meat? She is selecting some fresh greens. How much is 1 kilogram of fresh greens? She is choosing some watermelons. How much is a watermelon?